If the ground under your home is eroding away, you've got a bigger problem than muddy shoes. Erosion around your home's foundation doesn't just mess up your landscaping, it can crack walls, door jambs, and cost you thousands. And the worst part, you usually don't see it until the damage is already done. Let's talk about what causes foundation erosion, the signs to watch for, and how Dalinghaus Construction can help stop it before it gets worse. Soil doesn't just vanish overnight. It gets washed, pushed, or pulled away by common problems like bad grading, yards sloping toward your house instead of away from it, short downspouts where gutters are dumping water right at your foundation, heavy rain and stormwater runoff, no vegetation so roots can hold soil together and bare dirt just washes away, poor landscaping design that traps water, and unstable soil types, especially expansive clay soils that shrink when dry and swell when wet. All of these chip away at the soil holding up your foundation. Effects of foundation erosion. When the soil disappears, your foundation starts to fail. Here's what we see all the time. Exposed footings. If you can see your foundation base, you've already lost crucial support. Foundation settlement, so sinking and shifting that creates cracked walls and sloping floors. Water intrusion, or gaps that let in water leading to mold, rot, and crawl space damage. And in severe cases, structural instability that threatens the safety of your entire home. It starts small and gets expensive fast. Signs to watch for. Erosion damage shows up in little ways first. Watch for cracks in foundation walls or floors, doors and windows sticking or jamming, gaps around doors or windows, uneven or sloping floors, water pooling near your foundation after rain. If you're seeing these, it's time to take action. How we fix it. Fixing foundation erosion takes more than dumping dirt in a hole. At Dalinghaus, we use real, lasting solutions including retaining walls to hold soil in place and redirect water, soil stabilization with vegetation, compaction, or polyurethane foam injection to lock soil down, replacing and compacting lost soil so it can support your home again, foundation reinforcement using helical piers or push piers to anchor your foundation to stable ground below it, and drainage systems like downspout extensions, French drains, sump pumps to move water away from your foundation. These solutions don't just fix the damage, they stop it from coming back. How to prevent erosion. Prevention is the best protection. Here's how to keep erosion from starting in the first place. Grade your yard to slope away from your home. Extend downspouts 4 to 10 feet from your foundation. Plant grass or shrubs to hold soil together with their roots. Install French drains in areas that collect water. Use mulch wisely, keep it a few inches away from your foundation walls, and add retaining walls to sloped yards to keep soil from sliding downhill. These simple steps save thousands in future foundation repairs. When the soil holding up your home disappears, your home's stability disappears with it. The longer you wait, the more expensive the fix becomes. So don't wait. Schedule your free foundation evaluation with Dalinghaus Construction today. We'll inspect your property, stabilize your soil, and protect your home for the long haul. Because your home deserves a solid foundation. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.